What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Welcome back to another video. In this one, I want to talk about XRP. I know I got my Jasmine shirt on, but if you guys want to pick up an XRP shirt, I have that linked in my store. I also have a Jasmine coin shirt, and I plan on making a bunch of other designs just for the hell of it and having more and more cryptocurrency shirts, something that may be a little bit more subtle with just like the logo right here, the logo right here. I don't know. Feel free to check out the merch store down below. But XRP is something that we need to discuss. And the reason why we need to discuss this is because we might see XRP make a huge move after this may happen, right? And it's not 100% confirmed that this will happen, but it will be great for crypto overall. It honestly will be great for XRP, and will be great for Ripple. And I want to talk about what that is. So hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links that are down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter, follow me on Patreon, those links are in the description. Now, if you guys want to trade XRP up to a 50x leverage, you can trade over on Margex, which honestly is a fantastic platform. I've been utilizing Margex for quite some time. They use the TradingView platform, so you can easily go through trades, easily put a 50 moving average, a 200 EMA. You can add whatever indicators you believe work for you, and you can trade effectively. You can do from a 5x leverage all the way up to a 50x leverage. You can trade as little as $1. Honestly, you can put 20 cents there and do it at a 5x leverage, meaning that you would trade $1, giving you the ability to practice with a low amount of money, and it will be cheap fees for you to go through that process as well. You can also do a $1 mark at a 50x leverage, meaning that you're trading $50 while only risking $1. So feel free to check that out if you guys are interested in it, but make sure you understand and manage your risk well, because you can be liquidated fast if you do 50x leverages and 100x leverages all the time. Make sure you only have a strategy that sets up a 50x leverage or a 100x leverage. Honestly, there have been people that have messed up their entire account because they didn't understand it. And if you don't understand it, feel free to reach out to me on Patreon. We can talk about it. I love to talk about this stuff anyways. But yeah, feel free to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. XRP is in a unique situation because we've had a lot of good news that has happened with XRP, but it's been met with negative news, or a negative comment that came from, let's say, their overseers or the decision maker in a way. If you don't know by now, which you had to have been living under a rock or you aren't involved in crypto at all, the SEC is suing Ripple for alleged sales of XRP to individual investors as well as institutional investors. And the sale to individual investors through exchanges is not labeled as a security. There's not violating securities laws, and XRP is not a security, right? However, the trade or the sale to institutional investors is a different story, and that has been brought to our attention that it is violating securities laws, meaning that Ripple needs to pay some sort of a fine. They ended up, I guess it's a back and forth since that point, to where they dropped charges against the CEO and the chairman, and now all that's standing is how much they're going to pay. We've been going through this battle on what the settlement will be, and it seems like the SEC just wants more and more money, even though they came to a judgment saying 125 million is that level. But right now they are staying, which means that they are not going to pay the 125 million yet, because the SEC may end up appealing. So every time we have anything good, they appeal. They appeal, they appeal, they appeal, and it's a problem. I'm tired of the SEC. I'm tired of Gary Gensler. When we have somebody new in that seat, that should prompt a new reaction to crypto. And I don't know how that's going to go. I don't know if it's going to be better. I don't know if it's going to be worse, but I know I don't want Gary Gensler in that seat. I know I don't want him in that chair. I just don't want him making decisions anymore. Well, we got a little bit of, not news, but I guess a comment recently, right, where the Ripple CEO Ripple CEO predicted that the SEC chair Gary Gensler would step down no matter who wins the election. With the U.S. presidential election looming in November, many experts have anticipated that the election outcome will significantly affect the crypto industry. I agree, right? There have been many comments that have been made by Trump, we haven't heard many comments by Harris actually about cryptocurrency, but we have seen different people that have backed from cryptocurrency industry, from the cryptocurrency industry, and different parent companies and stuff like that that have backed Harris. So Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse reportedly predicted that the key to crypto regulators such as the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, Gary Gensler, will have to step down no matter who wins the election. While the potential effects of the election on the crypto market are yet to be known, the crypto industry has apparently been a crucial tool for presidential candidates in the ongoing campaign. On August 5th, a spokesperson for Harris campaign told Cointelegraph that the candidate could receive campaign donations in crypto through the Future Forward Political Action Committee. U.S. presidential candidate and former President Donald Trump has repeatedly reiterated his support for crypto, promising to make America the world capital of crypto and Bitcoin. So obviously we know that this is going to be a main selling point within the presidential election, but just seeing that we know that Gary Gensler has to step down, that's kind of that person that's saying, oh no, we don't believe in crypto. We don't believe that that's the way that we should go. We believe that you're violating laws. We want to collect our money. We want more money from you. All these things. Gary Gensler has to go. That just seems like the overseer, the person that's making the wrong decision. But just to get into that, right, you have a Ripple co-founder signs a letter endorsing Harris for president. So there must be some information there that's telling you, oh, Harris might be for crypto, even though there's not really much information that came out about, her supporting crypto. I've seen things on Trump creating, I guess, Trump's son or something, creating, a crypto empire in a way, and them backing that crypto empire and creating crypto and creating NFTs and, all of that stuff, selling NFTs, everything there. But this could be big for XRP. It could be huge for XRP if we see Gary Gensler truly step down. Now, does that mean he's going to? I don't know. I really don't know. I know he's trying to fight for this seat in the Treasury, I believe, as treasurer or something. I honestly don't 100% know, but he's changed his mind on crypto from how he's thought of crypto before, and now it's all about the U.S. getting as much money as possible. It's not about any type of information that's like, we need clarity on what is security, what's not. It's all about, give me my money. It's all about $2 billion. It's all about, let me get $4 billion here, $2 billion here, $200 million here, $20 million here, as much as they can gather, because honestly, I don't think they're receiving a lot when it comes to taxes. So XRP currently stands at 1.7% down. And we're looking at a 52 or 53 cent price point below the $30 billion market cap with $1.2 billion worth of volume. You see the supply, the circulating supply has increased a little bit. It's currently at 56.33%. So we're seeing more and more that's being added there, eliminating that escrow, which is always a good thing. But obviously, I think this could be the thing that sends XRP to the moon. But every time we have something that has the ability to do that, the SEC finds a way to kind of bring it back down to earth, or bring it back down to whatever their reality is. And it's like, if you think you won here, you didn't, because we have a chance to appeal. We have a chance to do this. We have this other negative thing that we could do. So it sucks, but this could be big. Would love to see Gary Gensler step down. Would love to see a fresh new face. Would love to see support for cryptocurrency and trying to understand how you go about tracking it rather than just being an enforcer. Does that make sense? Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Let me know what you think about this. Is this or could this be big for crypto? Do you think endorsing Harris was the right thing to go? I know this is like kind of bringing in political debates, and we're not about, politics here. We're more about um, cryptocurrency. We're more about the investment side of things. It doesn't matter what side you're for. I just want to see crypto at the forefront. That's all I care about. Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, check out my link for Margex if you guys are interested. I'm going to get out of here. I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.